The jury selected this project because it leveraged precast simplicity. One thing that was unique about the location itself is the building has a simple, solid gray that was very consistent in its precast, and it was accented by the pops of red.
The focused use of texture and the color consistency of the precast is phenomenal.
It highlighted the beauty of both the simplicity of nature and the simplicity of the form of the building itself.
The use of insulated load-bearing panels to save on construction time and provide efficiency of materials and production is also a tremendous achievement. The inclusion of materials incorporated into the precast panel at the plant to tie the language of the building together showed the versatility of precast. With the advent of the new certification program, one of the important things that we wanted to stress is even in buildings that might be considered AC, that there is a quality that's brought in terms of color consistency and finish of the panel, so you can achieve quality in each level of the certification program.